Hey guys, thanks for joining in once again. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today we're going to be installing something onto the interior of the car. Personally, I think it should have came like this from the factory. It creates quite a big difference in my opinion, and it will make a difference on your Audi if you choose to get one as well. So stay tuned and we'll hop right in. Alright guys, so without further ado, what we are installing today onto the car is very simply just a seat vinyl. This is specifically for the emblem on the seat for your S car or your RS car, and you can get it in whichever color you would prefer, even a custom color. I think by default they do come in red and white, and personally I did a little bit of touch on mine for a little bit of detail. Guys, check out this guy's Instagram, restless.rs5. He is the maker of these decals, and I think they're a great detail, and like I said, I always want to support those people in the community. So let's take a look and see what he can offer. Alright guys, check this guy's Instagram out. He's the maker of the seat decal, restless.rs5. He always uploads some new colors he's cooking up. He's got a few posts on here. This is basically how it looks in the stock color he sells with the red and the white. I think it looks great as it is. He has a video here showing some of the durability of it. Overall, looks like it's pretty sturdy, guys. I think you have to make sure you clean it off nice before you apply it, and just make sure it has enough time to cure. So guys, without further ado, let me show you what I decided to go with. So obviously I had to go with the red bar, and a little spin that I had to go with was the kind of champagne-ish gold, of course. So this is very similar to what my emblems on my vehicle look like. Guys, what this does come with is obviously the bars and then the S's. Now, you can ask for any color you would prefer. He also has a link on Etsy that you can buy directly, which I will link up here. And so basically it comes with these, and it also comes with some wipes as well to clean off the seat before you apply it, and some brief instructions right here. Alright guys, first thing that we are going to do, we're going to use the wipe provided just to clean it off to make sure it sticks to the seat as well as possible. So we'll get the bar and then the S. Just give it a quick wipe down. Now that's done, you can wait for it to dry, or let's have a little shop towel just to kind of dry it off. And they state that you put the bar in last. So the first thing that you should be putting on is the S. So the S looks like it's the same size from top to bottom, but it is actually not. So just make sure you get the orientation right. If you're ever confused, just look at the bottom right part of the S. It is supposed to be fatter on that side, and that's how you know it is the right side up. So it's going to be installed this way. So we're going to pull back the sticker here. The backing is off, and we will apply this right onto the seat. So you'll take your time with it, guys. Make sure it is lined up very well. It is, if you do mess up, guys, you can readjust it accordingly. It's not an issue. Apply this, just push it on. So just apply it and then peel away. Alright guys, so once you apply the S, I just went over with the Q-tip just to make sure the edges are all touching. because obviously those are the points where it can lift, worst case scenario. So you just want to make sure that there is no edges sticking out and it is all flush against the seat. So now we are going to install the S portion. I think this side right here, that little sticker part, it is recommended that you install this little piece last. So we're just going to throw on the bar and then see what we can do with that little piece in there. Alright, let's hope this is a one-shot deal, and when we peel it off, it all stays. So guys, you can adjust this a little bit even if you place it on. You are able to lift it off and adjust it accordingly. So just make sure you push out any bubbles that are in the vinyl. Get those corners tight. And this is the piece that is said to be a little bit problematic. Just adjust it slightly. I'm just using my fingernail to even it out a little bit. And then just go in with the Q-tip and make sure the edges are all flat against the surface. And guys, you should be good to go. Just give it a day to fully cure, and should stick on, no issues. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope this helps you out, guys, and best pro tip is just take your time. Don't rush. If edge lifts up slightly, just make sure you use a toothpick. Make sure you push down all the edges before, and most importantly, make sure you give it enough time to cure. So give it a day or so, and I promise you guys, you will have a great result. So again, take a look at Restless RS5. Take a look, support it. I always try to support the products that I think are really cool for our platform. So thanks for joining in once again, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.